Welcome back, nail crew. Welcome back, nail crew. Welcome back. So in this video, I am playing with IGEL Beauty. You guys have been requesting IGEL Beauty videos. Well, here it is. Now, before we get into that, let's give a hey girl, hey to my nail sister, Sharon. Thank you so much for the donation. I can't even say thank you enough. I really do appreciate it. And I love your name. That happens to be my mom's name and my middle name. So yeah, I really do appreciate you, girl. Thank you so much. All right, nail crew. So this is how I will be ranking my IGEL Beauty products. I thought it would be so fun and different for me to rank everything with a 3-star system. All right. So the first thing we are going to start out with are these nail tips. These are long, sexy, sleek, stiletto nail tips. Yes, you guys. Yes. We starting with the nail tips. Now, I am replacing my primer with my cuticle oil. If you guys do not know why I'm doing this, then you are late. You are late to the party. Oh my gosh. You did not see my last 2 videos, so shame on you. I will leave a link to them in the description box, and you will know why I'm using cuticle oil instead of primer. All right, so if we added primer, the next step would be to go in with the base coat. This is the IGEL Beauty base coat. It's very, very thin. It's a very thin consistency. So it smells normal. Doesn't have like a weird smell or anything. It's just very thin. So yeah, we'll get to that in a second. Now, because I do not have primer on my nails, I have oil on my nails. I do not want to go in with the IGEL Beauty base coat yet, because then I will contaminate it with the oil. So instead, I'm using a random brand of base coat gel that I don't mind getting oil in, okay? This is the one I'm setting aside for this method. All right, so you guys can watch me apply my base coat and cure for 60 seconds. Now, while I'm doing that, please make sure that you are subscribed. If you are not already a subscriber, hit that subscriber button and then go in the comment section and say, hey, Nikki, I just subscribed. So that way I can find you easily and I can know that you're a new subscriber, and I could be like, hey, girl, hey, and you could be like, hey, girl, hey, and then we could be friends, okay? All right, so once the peelable base coat has been applied, we are ready to proceed as normal. So as always, I have my pottle lamp and I also have my IGEL Beauty base coat, and we are going to try this. You guys know my method of applying nail tips. I use base coat gel instead of glue. So this is actually perfect, guys, because I can rate the nail tips and the base coat at the same time. So the nail tips are very, very long and sexy. I love the shape of them. I do want to point out the nail tips are very thin. They are thin. They are very thin. Now, that holds its pros and cons, okay? So a good thing about thin nail tips is that they're easier to shape. They're very easy to shape. They're so thin. You can just file them, touch them up, and you're good to go. Also, you don't have to really blend them in. You know, when you apply the nail tips to the nail and you blend it in with the natural nail plate, there's not a lot of blending to do when the nail tips are so thin, okay? So those are some pros to thin nail tips. A con to having a thin nail tip is that they're more flimsy, they're more apt to break, so you're going to have to add a little bit more product to it, okay? So there are your pros and your cons. Now, to rate them, I would have to give this a 2. I love the shape. I love everything about them. They are a little thin, but I don't mind that because I know that I could just add a little bit more acrylic or whatever. So I rate these a 2. As far as the base coat, this base coat is, you know what? The thinness, remember I said this is a thin base coat? It's actually a good consistency to apply your nail tips, because if you have a really thick gel applying your nail tips, well, then it's going to add more bulk, right? So using a thin base coat like this to apply your nail tips is clutch. Okay, it's really good. So far, I don't know what I'm going to rate the base coat yet, but the nail tips, I rate a 2. All right, so I'm almost done applying the tips, and I want to point out for you newbies, I am only doing a flash cure here. So I'm only curing for about maybe 10 to 15 seconds. But once all the nail tips are applied, I stick my hands in the large lamp and I do a full cure for 60 seconds. Okay, so I just want to point that out. I know that I always say that, like I'm always saying that, you guys, but I have a lot of new people that watch, so I just want to be clear. All right, so now I also have my IGEL Beauty acrylic brush. I have my acrylic. I rate that a 3, by the way. Wink, wink. Okay, website in the description box. And then, of course, I have some IGEL Beauty acrylic. So we are going to do a fun set, and it's going to be an easy set. So if any of you guys recreate it, please send me a picture to my Instagram or even my email, because I love, love, love when you guys send me your work. All right, now, as you can tell, I have that pretty glitter in the back there. You guys knew I was going to use glitter. You already knew it. But I did not have a soft gray to pair with it. And for some reason, I just wanted to do pink and gray. I just wanted to. Don't ask me why. I just wanted to. But I didn't have gray from IGEL Beauty, so I'm making a gray. Normally, I would just add the darker gray or black color to white acrylic, but I do not have white acrylic from IGEL Beauty. I have white, but just not from IGEL Beauty. So that's why I'm using this color over here. It's the lightest color I could find. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Does it look like a nice soft gray that will pair with the pink and the glitter? What are you guys thinking? Am I crazy? Do you like it? I don't know. I don't know, you guys. I don't know. We'll just see. So I am going to start my first bead with the pink. And remember when I did the swatching video? Remember this? I'll pop the little thing here. This, that. Yeah, that right there. So you remember when I did this video and I told you guys the pink in IGEL Beauty, it was just something about the pinks that I was disappointed. I did not like it. I still feel the same way, and it's just so sad because the color is so gorgeous. But as I mentioned in that video, and I will say it again, these are dip powders. Yes, some of them work well with monomer. Not all of them do. The pink does not work well with monomer, you guys. So I am going to rate this pink color 1 star. Meh. Meh. Color gorgeous, but yeah, it just dries so quick. Oh my gosh. Now the glitter, baby, I have the same rating that I do now when I did in the swatch video. I have the same rating, and I'm going to give the glitter acrylic a 3, baby. Definitely a 3. I will definitely go back and get the glitter acrylic, hands down. It works so well. The color is gorgeous. I love it. I really do. So I used my DIY gray acrylic, and I just did that to give it like a background to the ombre, just in case the glitter wasn't opaque, because I didn't want to see through the glitter. I really just wanted it to be opaque, like a nice full glitter ombre. So that's why I did the gray acrylic underneath it. So the gray acrylic, I'm going to also rate that a 3. Okay, so the combination of colors that I used to mix that, the gray acrylic felt really, really good. Really good, really creamy. So that must mean the 2 colors that I used also felt really creamy. So far, I give all the acrylics that I used a 3, except for the pink. The pink gets a 1. Don't get the pink, y'all. Unless they come out with a better formula. Not the pink. Now the other colors, go ahead. You can put it in the cart if you want to. I do not have a coupon code, by the way. IGEL Beauty does not know I exist, so I do not have a coupon code. But, put your items in the cart, and the next time they have that 60% off sale, then you pay for it, okay? You don't need a coupon code. They're going to have that 60% off sale any day now. Well, at least I think so. Wishful thinking. All right, so I did the ombre on the nails. All of it came out really, really good in my opinion. And now I am just encapsulating with my clear acrylic. My clear acrylic, you get a 3. You get a 3. My monomer, 3. The IGEL Beauty brush, you guys, I still did not crimp this brush. I am still using this brush round because I cannot find my pliers. The moment I find my pliers, I am going to just pull out this phone and record me crimping this brush so I can give this brush a fair evaluation. Right now, brush, you get a 2. You get it too. You feel okay. I could tell once I crimp you, I'm really going to like you. I could tell that because the bristles feel really good. The handle feels really good in my hand. Like, I don't have any issues. I've even put this brush in acetone. And it came out just normal, just great. So I didn't have any frayed brush bristles or anything like that. Like, it was really, really good. So the brush, you get a 2. Maybe after I crimp it and do another eval, maybe a 3. But I don't know. For right now, the brush is getting a 2. All right, so next we have IGEL Beauty Transfer Foil and IGEL Beauty Transfer Foil Gel. Now listen, you guys, you really can't go wrong with transfer foil. So if you guys are into transfer foil and they have a pattern on their website that you like, I just say go ahead and pop it in your cart now. And as soon as that 60% off sale comes back, go ahead and get it. Go ahead and get it, you guys, because I've used their transfer foils before and they work just as good as any other set. So, yeah, with that being said, 3, you're gonna get a 3-star. I already know that I love it. I already know that I love their transfer foils, so it's definitely going to get a 3. And their transfer foil gel, listen, I have been saying this since day one. It is my favorite transfer foil gel. Like, I don't even know how many more times I have to say it to you guys. It's my favorite. I love it. I really do. I mentioned it in my 21 faves for 2021. If you guys did not catch that video, I will link that in the description box as well. But I mentioned this transfer foil gel in that video as well. So anyway, the way that you use transfer foil gel, in case you guys are new, is you apply it to the nail just like you would any top coat or base coat. You cure it for 60 seconds. It's going to leave the nails very, very tacky. And then you apply your transfer foils. And that's it. So there you go. You can watch me apply my transfer foil. And you want to make sure that the foil is touching all of the nail, okay? So as much of the nail that you want covered, you really want to make sure to take your time and cover the nail. And then, boop, pop it off and beautiful design. Beautiful design, you guys. I think it just looks so amazing. Amazing. Definitely get a 3 for the transfer foil and the transfer foil gel. Now we are going in with IGEL Beauty gel polish. You guys, their gel polishes are great. So, and I have so many of them that if I gave their gel polish like a 1, I'd be lying to you, okay? So I'm like at like a 2 to 3. I'm not like a 2 to 3. So here's the thing. What I love about their gel polishes is that they come in the duo packs. So you can get the gel polish, the regular polish, like, you know, those duos. So that's how they come in case you want to do regular polish on your toenails and gel on your fingernails or vice versa. So I really do like that. And I really do like the consistency of their gels. They feel like regular gel polish, like, they just feel like gel polish. Like, I don't know what else to say. Like, it doesn't feel luxurious, but it doesn't feel cheap. It just feels like a good gel polish. So I will rate them somewhere between like a 2.5 to a 3. All right, so of course, after we apply our polish, we have to go in with our top coat. So I have their no wipe shiny top coat, but then I also have their matte. Today I'm going to use the shiny because, duh, right? Just duh. So let me tell you guys. Is there like a 4-star, a 5-star perhaps? Their top coat. Oh, snap. I'm speechless. I'm speechless. Their top coat is really good. It's shiny, it's thick, and it's almost like glass. You guys, if you don't get anything else from IGEL Beauty, I really recommend their top coat. It is some of the best top coat that I've ever tried. Oh my God, gasp. Gasp. Did I say that? Oh my God. Did I say that? IGEL Beauty. Oh my gosh. Their top coat is legit. Who out there have tried their top coat? Please rate it in the comment section below. Rate their top coat. And I cannot be the only one that's like, okay, this is a 5-star top coat. Out of 3 stars, you get 5. Like, what? It is. Okay, moving on from the top coat. Let's move on. Let's go back to the base coat. You thought I forgot about the base coat? Let's go back to the base coat. So I couldn't rate the base coat off of just putting it on the nail tip. You know what I mean? Because for me, base coats, I have to know how strong it's going to be. Like, I need to know you are going to hold my gel nails on, hold my poly gel nails on. Like, that's what I need from you. So that's why it was hard for me to rate it, because I was like, I just don't know. But by seeing the consistency of the top coat and the consistency of the other polishes, that just really gave me confidence in the base coat. It really did. So I'm like, if their top coat looks like this, their base coat got to be legit. So I'm going to rate their base coat at a 2, and I'm going to put a pin in it. I'll revisit the base coat and give you guys a better rating on the base coat and the acrylic brush at a later time. But for right now, I'm going to give both of those items a 2-star rating. All right. Well, that is a wrap. Thank you guys for rocking with me until the end. This is what the nails look like. Let me know what you guys think about them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. I love you guys so much. Oh, and IGEL Beauty will know my name. I'm going to put it on my vision board, you guys. I'm going to put it on my vision board. One day, they'll know who I am. All right, guys. Bye.